Hi there, in this video we are going to find the second largest number in the given number. Without overthinking, let's dive in. So the task is simple. We have been given n scores and we have to find the score of the runner-up of a university sports day. So if the sample input of 5 of the scores is like 2, 3, 6, 6, 5, then the sample output would be 5. So let's solve this problem. You can see that we have taken an array with the map function in which it takes the iterable numbers given to it and make it into integers. So first of all, we will remove all the duplicate values in the iterable given. Like in the input it was given like 2, 3, 6, 6, 5. So we will remove the duplicate value 6. So let's start list equals to, for removing the duplicate value we will use set. Now we will put this set into a list function. So now we are going to sort this list into the ascending order. List dot sort. After this we are just going to print the last second index of it. And the last second index will be -2. And that's all for the code. So let's run it. So our output is matching the expected output, and that's all for this video. Thank you.